Guys, my name is Kumar. You're watching me. Let's start today's train video without having the further delay. So this video is going to be the routine of 20th August 2024 of the day 258. So before going to the start today's routine video, I just only wanted to say you something, and I wanted to apologize you that I want to apologize you that I'll tell you why I apologize to. So basically the thing is that from the last 2 days routine video I was unable to shoot just because of the some reasons, and that's not a big reason, and I'll tell you briefly what's actually happened. Not basically that is nothing actually happened, but just because of my busy schedule I was unable to do all the kinds of things. That's why I was unable to shoot. So let me first briefly tell you which day's routine video I have skipped. I skipped the 20th August, 21st August days routine, and today is the 22nd August. So as you already know that if you are new on my YouTube channel, so let me clear it. If I skipped any day's routine, so first I shoot that skipped days routine video, after that I shoot the present days routine video. So I hope you will understand till yet what actually I try to explain you. So without having the further delay, let's start this video. So one thing I also wanted to tell you that from now, if I tell you today in the video from now, so that means 20th August 2024, because this video is about the routine of 20th August 2024, because that day was skipped. So let's start this video without having the further delay. So today guys, I wake up and I don't remember that I went to the bathroom or not. Basically I brought my clothes, and at the ground floor I washed my mouth, and after that I had taken the bath, and after that I worshipped at a very proper manner, and after that maybe I ate the food, I don't know exactly about it. After that I think that maybe I went to the first floor, and I use my phone nowadays too much, and I think that nowadays phone is not good for the students if they are using the reels. Even according to my thought, people shouldn't watch not even a single reel, as well as YouTube shorts. YouTube shorts is literally a very big mistake of the YouTube towards their all the students. Basically YouTube shorts is, I don't wanted to say anything, but I want to say, even I don't know, consider that YouTube is a YouTube shorts feature is good enough. According to me it is totally waste of time for the students, but it is like a TikTok. Like in TikTok we scroll the reels, and if we scroll one reel and after that another reel came, and it's became, when hundreds of reels we have watched it, we can't understood on the time. The time will pass at a very speed manner. We started watching at the 2 p.m. and time it's happened 3-4 p.m. not exactly knew it. So basically the 1 minute video, like basically reels and shorts and Insta reels and Facebook reels, also people gave too much time if we compare from the long videos. Most basically not people too much, basically young age students as well as kids giving more time as compared uh, to their elders. Yeah. So basically to their adults as well as who is basically let me tell you, who is mature. Okay, even they still watch that sorts. I don't know why they all this kind of things happen, and I don't support it, and I think that there should be a one feature in YouTube so that we can switch shorts features in our phone. So yeah, it's literally a very good thing that if they do this kind of activities in YouTube, so it will really helps it for the students, so they can focus their studies. But if I tell you all the crux, it's an company, they have to do their own business. Whenever you or scroll the reels, you get a you get a ads, too many ads. After scrolling 3 to 4 reels, you get to know that there is ads were coming. So it is simple that it is their propaganda. So yeah, it should be, it's I don't think that YouTube remove this feature, but we can't think that what will happen in time. So Yeah, maybe it would be happen that it will be happen that the shorts feature will be gone, or there should be a, you know, switch button. Okay, so yeah, let's came to the topic. So basically throughout the whole day I didn't done too much thing. Literally guys, as I already told you, from the last 2 to 3 months I'm talking to you about that YouTube reels as well as shorts. So you know, this is the main reason why I'm not doing any kind of thing. So I need to stop it very soon without doing any kind of no, I have to do you know, I have to give punish itself to mine, so that I can do anything. So basically guys, this is the thing which was actually happened, and at the time of evening I basically I didn't shoot the video. I went for the sleep, but I do not get sleep, so I talked. Basically my one of the teachers called me that if somebody wants a, you know, a neat voucher, basically there is a subscription. He told me that there is an Allen PW Akas you know, voucher he has. So if any neat students wants, he has too much voucher. Basically he's also a, you know, studying about the, you know, neat I don't think, but he is in the line of doctor. So I think that he wanted to become doctor, so he's in college, I think so, maybe, I don't know exactly about it. So he has too much vouchers. So but I'm not, I'm a commerce student, so I don't have any kind of need. So he advised me that if anybody is your classmate, if you wanted somebody, then you can tell me. So I messaged one of the my old classmate, which we used to study, you know, with along with itself. So I you know, messaged him. So I gave him the contact number of that teacher, so he can talk to him. So basically guys, uh, this is a thing which was actually happened till yet, and at the night I didn't do too much thing throughout the whole day. And you know, after that I didn't do too much thing. Basically I just only wanted to sleep after deciding, after, you know, waking up at the too late night. After that I got a sleep. Okay, so basically guys, this is the thing which was actually happened at the 20th August 2024. And I hope you'll understand till here. If you really understand till here, then kindly please like it, because if you like my videos, it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos in a continuously manner. So you already know that I daily you know, shoots my videos, and at the end what I do, I basically do, I learn vocabulary. Okay, vocabulary, like daily learning vocabulary. Okay, so basically today I'm also gonna to learn the vocabulary. Okay, so basically today daily wise I learn you know, 5 to 10 vocabulary, but today I'm going to learn 5 vocabulary. Wait guys. So yeah guys, our first word is drop. Now drop we call in Hindi, that is boond. तुम्हें इस दवाई का एक बूंद अपने आंखों में डाल लेना चाहिए. You should drop, you should drop, you should take one drop of this medicine in your eye. Scold means guys डांटना. तुम्हें मुझे डांटने का कोई अधिकार नहीं है. You don't have any right to scold me. First you need to understand what actually I'm trying to tell you. You're not my teacher. You're not my you know, friend, and you are a stranger for me. So why you are scold me? And even I didn't do any kind of things which you made anger, and I didn't do too much thing. I think that you are you know, someone misguide you, that so you should first consult the person who guide you. So I hope you really understand what I actually tell you. Defend means guys, थर्ड वर्ड इज डिफेंड. डिफेंड मीन्स रक्षा करना. सो तुम्हें उसकी रक्षा करना चाहिए. यू शुड डिफेंड हिम. इफ यू डोंट डिफेंड हिम, देन मे बी ही विल लूज समथिंग. स्नैच और स्नैचेस मीन्स गाइज छीनना. तुमने मेरे से मेरा पेन क्यों छीना? वाई यू स्नैच्ड माई पेन? 1 2 3 4 and the last word is separate. Separate means guys अलग. तुम्हें यह सब अलग कर देना चाहिए. You should separate these things. Okay, So basically guys, this is the thing which was actually happened today. I hope you really understand till yet. So guys, I think that it is enough for today. So let's end the video guys. See you, Radhe. Bye.